welcome boys and girls. Today we're outside. Today's exercise, we're going to be doing some suicide sprints. I'm going to be doing mine on the basketball court as you see, but if you don't have a basketball court in your neighborhood or whatever, in an open field, you can use some cones for your lines. Yeah, let's get running, okay? So I'm going to start on the baseline, all right? You're going to run to your first cone, then run back to the baseline, run to your next cone, back to the baseline, third cone, baseline, the baseline, back to baseline. We're gonna do this for 10 minutes, boys and girls, because you know I'm crazy about fitness. See you next time.